Hi everyone, welcome back. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today guys, we are going to be making this delicious pepper soup together. So let's get right into the video. So for this pepper soup, I'm making use of cow intestine. I have cow tripes, ring, fuku, liver, and all the orishi inside the cow. So I already washed the cow intestine with salt, so I'm just going to let it come to a boil. Then I'm going to rinse it. Then I will transfer it back to my cooking pot. Guys, it's always good to parboil your cow intestine to cut down the smell before making use of it, okay? So once I'm done rinsing the cow intestine, I transfer it back into my cooking pot. So I went in with the roughly blended pepper, onions, bell pepper, and garlic. Then I added salt and seasoning and peppersoup spices. So I'm just going to let this cook until the meat is soft. So when the meat is soft, I went in with my ripe plantain and with some crayfish, and I added the ripe chopped plantain. And you can also make use of yam, sweet potato, Irish potato, whatever you want, and you can also make it like that. So I like to add in a little bit of plantain into this particular pepper soup, okay? So I let that cook and I went in with my scent leaf. Guys, what is pepper soup without scent leaf? So I went in with my chopped scent leaf, and guys, voila, our delicious sweet and yummy pepper soup is ready. Serve and enjoy. And guys, this was very easy to put together and it was so yummy. So please, if you're watched to this extent, don't forget to like and comment. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.